हेलो गाइस, होप यू आर ऑल हैविंग अ गुड डे एज़ यूजुअल। अच्छा, मेरे इंट्रो वीडियो पे काफ़ी ज़्यादा कमेंट्स आए, काफ़ी अच्छे कमेंट्स आए। कुछ सजेशंस के टिप्स थे जिनको मैंने पेन डाउन करके रखा है और जब भी मौका मिले आई विल ट्राई एंड इम्प्रूव। हाँ, वन ऑफ द मेन कंप्लेंट्स वाज कि सुनाई नहीं दे रहा एज़ क्लियर। सो फॉर दैट मेरे पास ऐसा कोई माइक नहीं है जिससे मैं ढंग से बोल पाऊँ, मतलब मेरा वॉइस क्लियर आए। एकदम सादा सा सेटअप है, मैं अपने ईयरफोन के माइक से रिकॉर्ड करता हूँ एंड थोड़ा तो डिस्टर्बेंस रहेगा गाइस, सो बेयर विद मी फॉर दैट एंड आई विल ट्राई एंड इम्प्रूव इन द फ्यूचर। ओके, सो आज का टॉप वीडियो का टाइटल है द सबटल एक्ट ऑफ क्राइम। लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। A simple word consisting of 6 alphabets and means a hell lot in our lives. We all have cried, haven't we? अच्छा, ask me and I have cried like टंकी भर के, be it for physical problems, कभी मार डांट खाई, कभी एग्ज़ाम्स की टेंशन, एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा। द लिस्ट इज़ एंडलेस। एक्चुअली अगर इस टॉपिक के बारे में अगर हम आज बात करना शुरू करें तो आज के दिन में भी ख़त्म नहीं होने वाला। तो आई विल बी डूइंग इट इन सेक्शंस and whenever I get a new thought I'll pen it down and I'll share it with you guys. So what are the reasons we cry? Be it for the failures in life, an emotional situation akin to relatives, family, society, या फिर कोई not so important reason like watching serials, cutting an onion etc. Sorry, very lame joke समझा मैं, लेकिन actually जब मैंने ये बोला तो your lips might have just curled into a smile. Value that in your life and your life will get a lot more easier than you think. Ask me, Pranav, do you still cry? My answer is ready yes, because even that is required in our life to balance our life, right? A small activity for you guys: the next time you cry, observe the people around you, if you are in a state to do so. I mean, अभी ये बोल दिया करके मेरे को गाली मत देना कि भाई एक तो हम रो रहे हैं, उसके ऊपर से ये आदमी बोल रहा है कि आजू बाजू के लोगों को ऑब्जर्व करो। अच्छा, if you can do that at least once, you'll try and understand what I'm trying to say. At least once observe. When you cry in the beginning, people will try and comfort you until their patience runs out, okay? And after that, if you still continue crying, they'll say, "Jane de, sit and cry for as long as you can." I hope it's the same story with all. And after some time, you'll realize that you are left alone, crying, hurting yourself for as long as you can. There is a famous song in my mother tongue, which is Malayalam, and I'm just going to recite a few phrases, the first few sentences to illustrate my point, which goes like ചിരിക്കുമ്പോൾ കൂടെ ചിരിക്കാൻ ആയിരം പേർ വരും, കരയുമ്പോൾ കൂടെ കരയാൻ നിന്നിഴൽ മാത്രം വരും. Acha, ignore my singing, I'm just a terrible singer. The meaning of what I said earlier goes like 1,000 people will join you in your happiness. When you're happy, they laugh with you, they share all the happy moments in life. And when you cry, just the opposite. You'll see that only your shadow cries with you. Means the pain that you feel is only felt by you. No matter how close a person might be, the pain that you feel is left to yourself in the end, right? You know, everybody might have experienced a similar situation in life where they have to cry or feel sad, but nobody likes to cry, right? So what should we do so that we don't cry as such? Actually, there are few things that I'm trying to apply to my life, and I want you guys to apply it as well. First thing to do is observe the people around you. As said earlier, you'll observe that after some time you don't have this urge to cry whenever you are hit with a bad situation. There थोड़ा सा विल पावर आएगा खुद का कि नहीं रोना, प्लीज़ कंट्रोल. This realization might just help you to control those emotions. Secondly, try and realize the importance of a smile. You know that making somebody smile, bringing a smile to somebody's face is the toughest job. it is the toughest job in the world, and while at the same time making someone cry is really easy. Harm them in some way, hurt them emotionally, that is just enough for tears to roll down from a person's eyes. Although वो आपके सामने नहीं रोएगा, लेकिन he'll cry in his own solace. वो जब अकेला रहेगा he'll cry, he'll think ऐसा क्यों हुआ, right? Step number 3 is to always make the people around you happy. Spread joy. क्योंकि तुम्हें खुद को हंसने के लिए और दूसरों को हंसाने के लिए कुछ पैसे खर्च नहीं करने पड़ते, right? Do we all agree? Yeah. So try out these 3 things in your life. Make them a routine in your life. You'll realize after some time that you don't cry as such. And please make efforts to make others happy as well. I myself am trying to apply all these principles, and I'm starting to realize the difference. I hope you guys do so too. Yeah, that brings us to the end of this video. By the way, but wait, just a second. मेरे एक व्यूअर का कमेंट आया था कि स्ट्रगलिंग टुगेदर, ये जो वर्ड है, जो हमारे चैनल का नाम है, ये काफ़ी थोड़ा डल साउंड करता है, और एक नाम सजेस्ट किया ग्रोइंग टुगेदर. उससे इंस्पायर होके मैंने एक छोटा सा फ्रेज़ कॉइन किया है, विच गोज़ लाइक, लेट्स स्ट्रगल टुगेदर एंड ग्रो टुगेदर. हाउ इज़ इट? फॉर द नेक्स्ट टाइम वी मीट, वी बिगिन विद दिस छोटा सा फ्रेज़. Okay, I am hoping that this video helped you, inspired you in some way. If so, please hit the like button, comment, share and subscribe. And this is Pranav Surendran, and until the next time we meet, peace out.